everyone, welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to show you on how to change the color of the object in your photo. So again guys, this is a real quick and easy tutorial, so just bear with me and stay in tune while I'm showing you. So after the tutorial you will get and know the easy steps on how to change the color of the t-shirt, the color of the object, and the background or whatever parts of the photo that you want to change the color. So here we go. Right here, I have the picture of my daughter. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. So right here, I have her photo, and she's wearing a blue um, leggings. I want to make it like a color of her dress, like a dark green. So what I'm gonna do is zoom in. Okay, zoom into the part that you want to change the color, and this blue I want it to be like this color, dark green. So guys, make sure that the layer is always unlocked. Okay, always unlock the layer so you can change the parts of the photo. Okay, right here, grab your quick selection tool. Right click and then click the selection tool, and then select this part. Okay, select this part. Don't worry if you choose some parts, it's normal. Just go back right here, that's minus sign, click that one, and then click right here to the parts that you don't want to be included. Okay, just go back right there, here in the middle. Oh no, it's messing up. It's fine, don't worry. Okay, and this part. Anyhow, you can make the selection tool more smaller. Okay, click again the plus sign, and then here we go. Here we go. All right, more right there. What else? This one need to remove. Minus sign. I don't want this some part to be included. Okay, and then right here in the middle. All right, so as I can see, I think it's fine. Some part only here. I want to include some part right there. Okay, so next step is you have to go right here in the image, and then adjustment, and then go to use saturation. In the use saturation, you have to click the colorize. When you click the colorize, it's automatically the color changes, okay, in the selected part of the photo. So I want it green. The green is right here. And the saturation, you can make it more lighter, and then this will be darker. So you can move it right here, and then this also is for the lightness. This will be dark, and then this is the brighter. Okay, so we will just choose the proper color, and it's like it looks real. Okay, so we will choose like blue green, because the, yeah, like that. We will match it on her dress. This one is a blue green, and we will make it blue green. Yeah, just like that. Another adjustment. This is more light, so I want it like this. So that's it. So you can see, from blue to blue-green or dark green. So we need to remove the the selected part. Just Control D. See? Here we go. Just like that. Now, I want to change the color of the hair clip. This is color yellow. I want it to be pink. Yeah? Pink is more cute. All right, we will choose the color pink. We need to make it bigger. Oops. Go back. We need to make it bigger. Here you can choose the size. Like this, it's big. Okay, like that, it's more big. So like this is that one, and the size is like that. Okay, just here you can change. And there is a pen pressure. Okay, and then here the hardness, and if you choose hardness like that, we'll just click like this. Okay, if you make the hardness 100%, then if you choose this, it will choose something else. See, just like that. So we will remove now. Again, let's go back. Let's choose hardness like this. Okay, size is fine. All right, here we go. Click it again. Okay, make sure all yellow part is selected. Also right here. Okay, don't worry for some parts that you select it wrong. Just click the minus and then click deselect that again, because we don't want that to be included later on, because this is the hair. The black is the hair. All right, so now we will go to image adjustment, use saturation. Okay, and then what we will do next, click the colorize. Here we go. After making the colorize, okay, we can put it to yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. The pink is right here. We just need to make it more bright so the pink will come out. This is brighter, brighter, darker, darker. So I think this color is fine. All right, here we go. As you can see now, it's color pink. Okay, right up here, she has this hair clip and it's color white. So I want also to change this color white to be more attractive. I want to make it maybe blue, light blue. Yeah, baby blue. So like that. It has, okay, where is it now? I'm not using mouse, guys. That's why I'm not using mouse. So it's okay. I'm used to it. So right here, minus. Remove this part because that one is already the background. Okay, and right here, I need to add some part right here. Plus sign, and here we go. So what we will do now, go back to cursor. Okay, image, adjustment, and use saturation. And then colorize. I want it to be baby blue, like that. Add some saturation and more darker, like that. Yeah, This is nice. What do you think? For me, it's nice. It become more colorful. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Okay? Or we can, as you like, you can make it like yellow or purple. Yeah? And now I want to change the color of the background. Maybe something light green, yeah, or yellow green. Let's go ahead and let us select. All right. Want to make the round more bigger and select this part. Wait 1 minute. Hardness. Okay. Here we go. Again. It's coming all the way. Okay, we need to remove. Make it a little bit smaller around. Deselect this part because this one I wanted the same color. Okay, all right, some part of the hair. Some part of this. Okay, minus this part. I will not make that much really fine because I just want to show you the basic. Later on, you can make it on your own more smoother because I don't want to take much time in here, so I know you will get bored right away. So like that only, guys. Just remove the part of this one. I want it to remain the same color for the leaves, okay, and for the flower right here. Now plus sign in this part I want to add. This should be also part of, this is part of the background. Okay, so right here we can just deselect. All right, and right here I want to select this part also. Right, some parts of the dress. The shadow part, it's okay for the hair. Okay, down right here I don't want to include the sofa, just like that. This part I want to include also the shadow. Okay, and this part, mess up again. It's okay, in editing it happens, so we need patience. All right, just like that. This is the leaves, it's not taking. Okay, we need plus sign. Wait, this is minus, must be. All right, just click 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 click. This part I don't want it, only the some dark parts in here. Okay, I'll make it so small so it will take only this part. Okay, so like that. You can use the polygonal lasso tool to really get the parts you want, but for me, quick and easy is this. So here we go. That is the part that I want to change the color. Okay, so let's go to image adjustment, use saturation, click the colorize. Now it changes. So I want it to be yellow green, like that. Yellow green. We need to add more saturation, I think, yeah, and hardness, like that. So as you can see, guys, the shadow remain, the color of the shadow, it remained, and here the dark parts of the shadow, it remains. As easy as that. So as you can see, the then and now, the before and after, it's really amazing. You can change the parts of the photo, and even you can put her a lipstick in here. You just do the same thing. Even you can change the color of the hair or some more parts. So that is the real quick and easy steps, guys. You can change the color of the background, the dress, any kind of the object that is in your photo that you desire to change, and then bring it to Photoshop and let the magic happen. Once again, guys, thank you for the support, thank you for the love, and thank you for watching my videos. Once again, please like, subscribe, and share because knowledge matters. See you again, and God bless us all.